Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I am in my backyard and I am doing some planning. So the fall and into winter is a great time to plan in your garden. And the first thing I want to show you is what I am thinking for this area over here. So over here I have my daylilies which got moved, and we've now gone through and taken out a lot of the roots that were in here from that old juniper that we took out many years ago when we moved in, and we flattened the area. Now last year this was amended really well with compost. The soil looks good, and originally I had thought I'd start putting things in this fall, but you know what? I've decided I'm just going to leave this a bare canvas for the winter, and I'm thinking perhaps using New Guinea impatiens or some type of annual just to really have a beautiful swath of color over our stone wall here in front of the nice Japanese maple that'll sort of frame that in the background. So as I started thinking about this area, I thought, okay, let's move to this pathway and see what we can do over here. So the area comes up, and we have some flagstones that come back here. It's really, really shady. And I sort of picture this sort of as a little hidden garden. It is the other pathway around our house. And you can see as you walk back here, it's very secluded. It's not going to get a lot of sun. Let me show you what we're dealing with. So here we have an old piece of fence that is going to come out, and we have this small area here with 3 river birches, 1, 2, and 1 is back there. So I think that'll sort of be a beautiful shade for us, but you know, we have a lot of space here. It's really rooty, so we really can't dig into this area. You'll also notice that we have a ton of flagstones here that I need to find something to do. But I'm sure that you can never have too many flagstones. We'll figure that out. As we continue along here, I do have one window over on the shed that I'm thinking a window box would be nice. And of course we have our roof drainage and our air conditioning, and then just this long corridor here. So I'm thinking a lot of planters along here and perhaps some ferns in the ground. You can tell that this is my place where I empty potting soil from pots that have been passed, so I'm thinking I'll spread this out a bit. But of course you never want to put soil or potting mix or your mulch up covering the base of your tree, so I need to be really careful about that. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.